Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for the headphones Skullcandy Grind. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and then click on your headphones. If it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So just close the case and wait until you can see not connected. If you can't see it, just open the case and close it again. Now, when we can see this line, just open it to connecting your headphones. Here we go. Now, if it also doesn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now, close the case and open it again. It should automatically enter to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, remove the headphones from the charging case and press just on the right earbud for at least 3 seconds. But we can see it, so click on it to connecting it. If it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, turn off the Bluetooth and after that press and hold on the right earbud for at least 3 seconds. We can see this flashing, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now, open the Bluetooth, then click on the information icon or settings icon, then forget this device, forget device. And now we should see it, yeah? Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!